Hey friends, so in this tutorial I will show you how you can fully automate your Pinterest account, meaning there is literally no human involved once you set up the automation using both Hermes agents as well as GPT image 2. And to show you that I like to walk the walk that I also like to talk, here is one of our Pinterest accounts for our app Pantry, which is like a cooking app where you can save recipes from TikTok, Pinterest and other platforms. So obviously we also want to be on Pinterest. And as you can see here, we have almost 700 followers, 2.3 million views. And as you can see, we publish basically the following infographics. Sometimes we also publish weird videos of me, but effectively, as you can see here, we're publishing these recipe infographics where it shows the recipe in the top left. And then a few instructions, ingredients, quick tips. And in the bottom here is CTA or information about the app. Plus, we also make sure to link to a website. As you can see here under See Recipe, if I were to click, it would open our website and the recipe. Now, for you to set this up, what do you need? First of all, you need access to a Hermes agent setup. So what I'm having here is our company's Discord. Because we are multiple people working on this product, we are obviously also in need of a communication platform. And so in this case, we choose Discord. However, you can also use Telegram for this. You can use any other chat platform like Microsoft Teams or WhatsApp. Again, because we have built our company around Discord, this is also where some of our Hermes automations are taking place. The way we've set the automation up is the following. Again, I'm just going to walk you through my setup, but whatever setup you're running is possibly going to be very similar. I just want to give you the tools so that you understand how to roughly set it up. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comment section at any given time. So what you need is a few things. First of all, again, Hermes agent setup. The next thing, you need access to the following API here, GenViral by genviral.io, and that will give you access to social media posting capabilities so that you can post to platforms like Pinterest, but also other platforms like Facebook, YouTube and such. Once you are signed up for GenViral, you feed your agent the API docs alongside the API key. So when you log in here in the bottom left, you have the section here, API keys, and then you'll find them here in your API keys workspace. You click on new API key and it will give you your key. Moreover, very, very important, you have to connect your account. So we are here in the social account section. You need to connect your Pinterest account in the first place. So go here under Manage Accounts, click Connect and select Pinterest here. Once your account is connected, once you have your API keys and the API docs ready, the next thing that you want to do is to feed that to your Hermes agent. So in the case of Discord, you normally create a new thread in which you set up the agent. In my case, it has been a while since we set up the automation, so I had my agent write a summary. And effectively, what we're doing is we're pulling recipes randomly from our Pantry AI website to ensure that we have a random recipe every now and then, plus to ensure that we have a website to link to for people to check out the product. Then again, it reads the recipe card. It does its prompting in the backend. From there on out, a bunch of things that you need to know. In our case, again, the videos about GPT image 2, and that's what we are using in 916 format. Now, in our case, we're using GenViral, so they have a Studio AI endpoint. This is this one here where basically you get the model, in this case GPT image 2, and you are instructed accordingly. Now, next thing that's really important is, in our case at least, we have base images. Where you source your base images, how you create them, that's really up to you. I really like to use X, for example, because there are a lot of people who publish AI-related content on X, and quite frankly, I'm a bit addicted to the platform as well. And what I did is I looked for GPT image prompt food. You can use all kinds of other variations and they will reveal all kinds of other results. And then from there, I found the image or the images. I tried to find them here again. However, unfortunately, that one wasn't available anymore. You can see this one here is fairly similar, but again, not 100% identical. From there, I basically went into the GenViral AI Studio here and created my first base image. Basically talked to the AI. So as you can see here, for context, you can also see the prompt. I basically set up a prompt initially where it said, okay, please have this one always here, download Pantry in the App Store. Let me just maybe expand the image, download Pantry in the App Store. Make sure that this is always there. Make sure that this part is always there. Make sure that this looks like a realistic candid image that somebody would have taken on Instagram. Again, this is more pertaining to the style that I want. The point though is you want one or two base images so that the AI has a style to lean on and it doesn't have to generate everything, so to say, from scratch, and it can lean on certain styles, which ultimately will decrease your failure rate and make the images just more consistent and better to look at. Once I had my base images, I put them into a folder here in the media library. So I believe this should be this one here. Yep, we have here new pantry AI PT automation. So as you can see here, we have 2 images that I've generated as kind of backup baseline. And then from there, again, I went to my agent and said, hey, please use this folder, please use our website, please use this specific style that I want, and then make sure that you have a tag or tags that you link to the website, that you have a proper caption and title. Again, that is really specific to Pinterest. What I ultimately recommend with any type of automation that you're running when it comes to social media, make sure that you run it manually yourself, meaning you create the content yourself. You can use GPT image to already to create the content, but then make sure to publish it manually yourself on, in this case, the Pinterest platform. Reason and point being is that you will learn all the different quirks that that particular platform has to offer, and that will allow you to create much better automations down the line. And then from there, again, you will basically just talk to your agent like you would to a human, saying, hey, this is the rough cadence that I want. In our case, we want every 8 hours for an image to be posted, and then for a confirmation to be sent here into the Pantry AI folder. As you can see here, for example, we have this confirmation that was sent with the spaghetti carbonara recipe that was posted, a bunch of things like the board ID and everything, just again as confirmation. This is more so meant for you to be able to see if something is going wrong, if maybe the account needs to be reconnected, or if something with the post itself, with the image, is potentially wrong. And then from there, just optionally, and to show you, you can also connect your analytics in, for example, GenVal. So here we have analytics, and also just to finally show you here, analytics here, which means you can actually use your agent to recursively improve itself. Meaning if there are certain categories of pins, like let's say dinner or chicken recipes or whatever else it may be, and those are doing better on average than others, then it might make sense for your agent to take a look at the data and maybe tailor the content towards those specific topics more often than not. And so that's it. That is how you set up automation using Hermes agent, GPT Image 2, and in this case, a product called GenVal to be able to post to Pinterest. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. As I said, more than happy to help you set some of these things up as well. And with that being said, see you in the next video.